to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today we're going to be making papas rellenas, which are stuffed potato balls. They're really easy to make. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the side so that you won't miss out on any recipes. Hola mis cariños, hoy les traigo una receta, se llama papa rellena, es una receta cubana y es muy fácil para hacer. Si quieren más videos como este, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perder mis videos. So, vamos a empezar. Let's get started.
Para esta receta necesitamos 6 papas, una libra de papa molido, medio pimiento rojo y verde, una cebolla, 3 dientes de ajo, 6 onzas de salsa de tomate, 4 tazas de vino dorado, pero puede usar vino blanco para beber porque no lleva sal, 2 huevos, una taza de pan molido, sazón completa y sazón hecha en casa, una cucharada de orégano, una cucharadita de comino, sal y pimienta al gusto. So now I'm adding about maybe a tablespoon of salt to the water, and I peeled my potatoes, cut them, and I'm going to boil the potatoes for about 25 minutes. Okay, le vamos a echar sal alrededor una cucharada, pelamos las papas, las cortamos en cuartos y ahora vamos a hervirlas durante 25 minutos. So now we're going to start making our picadillo. And picadillo is basically a Cuban dish found throughout Latin America, and it's made with minced meat and minced vegetables. So the word picar means to chop or mince finely. Okay, empezamos a hacer nuestro sofrito. El sofrito es la base o la trinidad a toda la cocina cubana, latina y española. So we're going to start off by making our sofrito. And sofrito is the base or the trinity of Cuban cooking, Latin cooking, and Spanish cooking. Cocinamos el sofrito hasta que la cebolla esté translucida y los pimientos estén suaves. Ahora que las verduras están listas, agregamos los condimentos secos y el pavo molido. Ahora agregamos nuestro pavo molido y mezclándolo con el sofrito que acabo de hacer. Now we're adding in our ground turkey and mixing it with the sofrito that I just made. Cocinamos el pavo molido alrededor 10 minutos más o menos o hasta que sea dorado. So you want to cook the turkey until it turns brown. That should take about 10 minutes, and then you're going to add in the tomato sauce. So once you mix your tomato sauce with the ground turkey, then you want to add in a 1/4 cup of white wine. I'm using cooking wine, and if you're using cooking wine, you may want to leave out the salt because cooking wine is very salty. Una vez combinando el pavo y la salsa de tomate, echa 4 tazas de vino blanco. Estoy usando vino dorado, pero me gusta el sabor. Pero si usas vino de cocinar, ten cuidado porque está salado. Está muy salado. So now we're going to cover this and let this simmer for about 15 minutes on low heat. Tápalo y cocinarlo lentamente al fuego bajo por 15 minutos. Okay, so now picadillo is ready, and we're going to remove it from the stove, put it in a bowl, and let it cool off, and we're going to go check our potatoes. Pasado 15 minutos y ya está listo. Vamos a dejar el picadillo para enfriar y vamos a chequear las papas. So now I'm going to start mashing the potatoes, and I'm not going to add any butter to this because I like a drier texture so that it's easier to handle. Ok, ahora aplastamos las papas hasta que sean suaves. No me gusta añadir mantequilla. Para mí nunca sale bien. Me gusta la masa más seca. One trick that I did learn was to add cornstarch to your flour. And you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons to 1 cup of flour. And your papas rellenas will come out really crunchy on the outside. Un truco que aprendí fue agregar 1 o 2 cucharas de fécula a la harina para hacer que las papas rellenas más crujientes. When you're forming your balls, you can make them as big or small as you want. I like to make my papas rellenas large, so I'm going to use a tablespoon, a little bit more than a tablespoon. Cuando estás haciendo las papas rellenas, puedes hacerlas tan grandes o pequeñas, como quiera. Me gusta hacer las mías grandes. So I'm going to make one more so you guys can kind of get a better feel of how to make it. Now, there are a few ways to make these. Some people put a hole in the middle and then they pack the picadillo inside. I like to press mine down and then form the ball that way. Okay, voy a hacer una más y hacer el resto afuera de la cámara. Hay un par de formas de hacer las bolitas. Se puede poner tu dedo en el medio y agrega un poco de picadillo o aplanarlo y forma una bolita. Es su preferencia. Después de formar la bola, pásala en la harina, el huevo y después pan molido. After you form the ball, you want to roll it in the flour, then you want to dip it in the eggs, and then you want to roll it in the breadcrumb. Okay, so I'm adding some oil to my pan, and I'm going to let this heat up for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add in my papa rellena. Now, I find that when you put your dough or the papa rellena in the refrigerator before frying it, they crack. And I don't like cracked papa rellenas, so I don't add mine into the refrigerator. I leave them out. Dos cosas que no hago son poner mis bolitas en la nevera y añadir demasiadas bolitas a la sartén porque se rompen. Aquí tiene mis papas rellenas. Voy a probar una para que pueda ver cómo queda. They came out nice and crunchy on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. So I'm going to take a bite and let you see what the texture is like.
Delicious. Well, guys, I just want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. It's been my pleasure showing you how to make papa rellenas. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And make sure you watch these 2 videos. These are my latest videos. And I also have a YouTube store where I sell merch. And what I'm wearing here is for sale. I also have a coffee cup. and I have a hat. These are very inexpensive, and if you want to purchase it, just click the link down below that says store, and it'll lead you right to the store. Well guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.